Good morning, dear creatives. Welcome to another interesting online class. And today we're going to be learning how to make the center knotted turban cap. We're going to be learning the center knotted turban cap. And for this turban cap, this style or this design of turban cap, we'll be needing just few materials. Here I have my fabric. They call it Korean silk or the London crepe. It has a shiny face. And I have my wadding. I have my scissors. You'll also be needing your thread. You'll be needing your pins. And then you'll also be needing your tape measure. So quickly, let's get straight into the measurement of this design that we'll be needing. For the turban cap itself, we'll be needing a piece of fabric which I've already cut out. I've already cut it out, and this is my fabric for the turban base. I'm going to fold it into two so you get to see what I mean. So this is my fabric for my turban base, and for the head circumference, remember to always cut the parts that will grip the head from the stretchy side of your turban cap. So this measurement is 26 inches by 13 inches. Okay, 26 inches. This is placed on fold, so if I open it up, the full length will be 26 inches by 13 inches. So for the band, we'll be needing 23 inches. 23 inches from this point to this point, 23 inches, and by either you use 4.5, 3, 5 inches, depending on how wide you want your band to be. But for this tutorial, I'll be making pleats of this band. I want to make pleats of this band, maybe just 2 to 3 pleats from this band. So I have 23 inches measurements, 23 from this point to this point, and by 6 inches wide. Okay, now for the knotted parts of the turban cap, the design, the knotted parts, will be needing a piece of fabric also. And for this for the measurement, we have 35 inches. This is on fold, so if you open it up totally, you'll be having 35 inches by 10 inches. 35 inches from this point here to this point here. Remember, it's on fold. If I open it, it's 35. So from this point here to this point here, 35 inches, and then we have 10 inches wide. So, and also we'll be needing either you can also use your wadding, what we call breast pad, or you can use a foam. You can also use a scuba fabric for the filling, because I want it to be a bit bulky. Okay, so I'm using my wadding here, and for this wadding is the light, the thin type of wadding, the light type of wadding. So I have here 32 inches. When you open it up, it's 32 inches by 10 inches, because I'll be folding this in half. I want it a bit thick, and I don't have the thick wadding readily available, so I'm going to fold this into two. So I'll be having the measurement is 32 inches by 10 inches wide. Okay, so we'll go straight into the class proper. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to place our fabric on the right side. This is the turban base we want to start with. The right side is facing up, and the wrong side is facing down. Now this is our band. Okay, so after making our pleats on the band, you find the midpoint by folding and notching, and then you also do the same thing to the body of the turban, and then you place the right side on the right side of your turban body, and sew from one point to the other point. Remember to always place it midpoint to midpoint. I'll quickly go and sew from this point to this point, and then I'll come back to show you what it looks like, and then we go on to our next step.